noticed in this 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Pamper yourself with memory settings. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.